Hello guys, how are you? I hope all is fine. In this video we are going to talk about bears. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Orsidae. They are classified as caniforms or dog-like carnivorans. Although only 8 species of bears are extant, they are widespread, appearing in a wide variety of habitats throughout the northern hemisphere and partially in the southern hemisphere. Bears are found on the continent of North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Common characteristics of modern bears include large bodies with stocky legs, long snouts, small rounded ears, shaggy hair, plantigrade paws with 5 non-retractile claws, and short tail. While the polar bear is mostly carnivorous, the giant panda feeds almost entirely on bamboo. The remaining 6 species are omnivorous with varied diets, with the exception of courting individuals and mothers with their young. Bears are typically solitary animals. Most species occupy their dens during the winter for a long period of hibernation up to 100 days. The English word bear comes from Old English bera and belongs to a family of names for the bear in Germanic languages, such as Swedish björn, also used as a first name. The family Ursidae is one of 9 families in the suborder Caniformia or dog-like carnivorans within order Carnivora. Bears' closest living relatives are the pinnipeds, canets, and mustelids. Modern bears comprise 8 species in 3 subfamilies. Ailuropodinae, monotypic with the giant panda. Tremaractinae, monotypic with the spectate sled bear, and Orsinae, containing 6 species divided into 1 to 3 genera, depending on the authority. Nuclear chromosome analyses show that the karyotype of the 6 Orsine bears is nearly identical, each having 74 chromosomes, C Orside hybrid, whereas the giant panda has 42 chromosomes and the spectacelid bear with 52. These smaller numbers can be explained by the fusing of some chromosomes and the banding patterns of these match those of the Orsine species, but differ from those of procyonids, which supports the inclusion of these 2 species in Orsidae rather than in Procyonidae, where they had been placed by some earlier authorities. The earliest members of Orsidae belong to the extinct subfamily including Paristes, late Eocene to early Middle Miocene 38 and 18, and the slightly younger Allochion is between 34 and 30, both from North America. The raccoon-sized dog-like Cephalogal is the oldest known member of the subfamily, which first appeared during the Middle Oligocene in Eurasia about 30 years ago. Species of Ursavos subsequently entered North America together with the Amphisonodon and Cephalogal during the early Miocene. Members of the living lineage of bears diverged from Ursavos between 15 and 20, likely via the species Ursavos elmensis, based on genetic and morphological data. The bear family includes the most massive extant terrestrial members of the order Carnivora. The polar bear is considered to be the largest extant species, with adult males weighing 350 and 700 kilograms and measuring 2.4 and 3 meters in total length. The smallest species is some bear, which ranges 25 to 65 kilograms in weight and 140 centimeters in length. Prehistoric North and South American short-faced bears were the largest species known to have lived. The latter estimated to have weighed 1,600 kilograms and stood to 3.4 meters tall. Bears are generally bulky and robust animals with short tails. They are sexually dimorphic with regard to size, with males typically being larger. Larger species tend to show increased levels of sexual dimorphism in comparison to smaller species, relying as they do on strength rather than speed. Bears have relatively short limbs with thick bones to support their bulk. Extant bears are found in 60 countries, primarily in the northern hemisphere, and are concentrated in Asia, North America, and Europe. An exception is the spectacelid bear. It lives in native to South America and inhabits the Andean region. Some bears' range extends below equator in Southeast Asia. The Atlas bear, a subspecies of the brown bear, was distributed in North Africa from Morocco to Libya, but it became extinct around the 1870s.